I'll show you guys how I work with the co-conditioner and how I am
my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, then hey girl or hey bro. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hi, it's good to see you again. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a follow-up of what I do after a wash day or a core wash day, because I just realized that I haven't shown you guys exactly how I lock in all that moisture after rehydrating my hair. These methods for me personally are very effective. I just need to do them more often, you know what I'm saying? Like the moisturizing game is on point. What's not on point is me not continuously trying to rehydrate my hair, and we're gonna try and change that, right? We're gonna try and change that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get into it, guys. Let's just get into it, guys. So before I do anything, I just want to say this: the only thing that can moisturize your hair is water. Okay, water. Yeah, like literally just water. So if you're gonna use a leave-in conditioner or anything else, make sure the first ingredient is water, because then you're guaranteed that you're gonna get water in your hair and it's gonna hydrate your hair. The main issue is actually just really sealing in that moisture, finding the right products to seal in that moisture. And the second thing I want to say is, your hair is different and my hair is different, so our hair journeys are going to be different. Use what you like. What works for you might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. I'm just here to share my experience with you guys, and hopefully there's somebody out there in the world who's going to be experiencing the same things I am experiencing. My hair has been washed, or should I say my hair has been co-washed, so I'm just going to be locking in all that moisture that I just put in my hair. But first I'm gonna spritz my hair with some water. Because my shirt kind of made it dry. Great, perfect. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna start up with this section. I'm going to get my leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my hair. I'm gonna focus more on the ends of the hair, because those are the oldest parts of the hair and they're the ones that need more moisture than the shaft of the hair or the roots. Okay, so now that I'm satisfied with that, I'm gonna go in with my curling cream. Last product will be the oil. It's gonna take forever. using other oils and tried to see if it works for me. When I first went natural, I didn't really have anybody to look up to. But recently, when I started trying to pay more attention to my hair, I started looking up to other YouTubers and other bloggers who do hair, and I tried to use the products that they use as well. But I mean, I can't stress this enough. What works for me cannot work for you, and that is simply because we're all made up of different genetic makeups, you know, like we've got different chromosomes, guys. So it's only fair, or it's only normal or okay that what works for me will not work for you. I mean, even as siblings, my sisters and I definitely do not have the same type of hair texture. We don't have, we might be related by blood, but we have different fingerprints, and that means we've got a different genetic makeup. My point is that certain oils that I thought might work for me, because a lot of my friends and other bloggers were like, oh no, use this or use that, didn't work for me, you know. So it's okay if certain products don't work for you just because they work for me, because like I said, I'm gonna say this again, we're all different, we're all made up different. But yeah, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, my Superdrug leave-in conditioner, working that through, making sure all my strands are happy. I am finally done, and we have come to the end of the video. But before I go, I just want to say this because I just realized that I hadn't said it before. The method I use to lock in the moisture in my hair is, hey guys, this is Sophie from the future, and I just realized that I said LOC method instead of LCO, even though you're not gonna hear me say that. But the method I use to lock in my moisture is called the LCO method. So I'm just gonna get you back to the video. Ciao. And that stands for either a leave-in conditioner or a liquid, which is water or aloe vera gel. But water, I'm all about water, cheap stuff. Water's free, so yeah. Water, that stands for water, cream, and an oil. Yeah, and an oil. The last thing I did was just spray some of the thermo shield. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, then do so and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time that I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Video thumbs up, yeah, we're cool. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me, I'm interested to know, how do you lock in that moisture? Like, how do you lock in that moisture? Do you use the LOC method? Do you use the LO method, which is just liquid and oil? But anyway, tell me how you lock in that moisture. But for now, guys, I will be seeing you in my next video, and I'll chat with you guys in the comment section. So see you there. Bye.